You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Excited to do the Giant Gingerbread Pal Cookie Decorating Kit from Jelly Belly. It was kind of neat looking at it. I was looking at the store going, I think I would like to try that on video. I've done other gingerbread kits like this. I've definitely not done this specific one. It is kind of a neat packaging because the front is like cut out and it's a clear section, but then they have in the plastic like painted on green squiggle lines, red, and then Jelly Bellies stuck around the plastic to look like it's actually on your gingerbread pal. And then included is Jelly Belly beans, pre-baked gingerbread cookie figure, French vanilla flavored white icing, and red and green icing. Now how much of each? I really don't know. Let's just turn the box around, and the front is kind of mainly white and all kinds of Jelly Bellies trickling down on the side. Okay, so it looks like you get the same amount of frosting of each in these little tubes. They have a picture of it on the back. It does not tell you, it just says assorted Jelly Belly, so I'm not thinking it's any particular like holiday mix or anything like that. Let's just grab it down here. Let me take the camera back just a little bit. And then let me open up my gingerbread pal. The gingerbread pal. Okay, it's on a clear plastic tray, and he's a little like, looks like he's warped. Yeah, I've got a warped gingerbread pal. So the icing bags are about 4 inches tall and about 1.5 inches. So usually you soften those up. And you get I want to say an adequate supply of Jelly Bellies. I think double, definitely the double. Look how warped it is. Well, I'll tell you what, let's just leave this as my decorating tray. Alright, let's get this out of the packaging. Let's get the Jelly Belly out. Now, there's no instructions. Get him out of his plastic enclosure. Ooh, don't rip. Oh, I'm going to cut that. The way it was shrunk wrap in the middle, it's a little tighter. Okay, smell-wise, smells like gingerbread. Okay. Ah, yes. There's like a circle, 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 and a circle. What do those indicate? I don't know if they indicate anything. No instructions, just decorating kit. All right. Well, let's just get some eyes. How about we start with some eyes? Let's put these in a bowl. All right. So definitely assorted. And I would say there's just a rough estimate. Here, someone can count them for me. This one looks like it's chewed. I got a chewed Jelly Belly in there. Let's see, rough estimate, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 20, 30? Let's see, that's my initial guess. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27. 27, I was close. Pretty good rough guess. So I'm assuming you just cut the tip off of one of your little bags and then squish it in where you want to make an eyeball placement. Eyeball. Eyeball. That's going to give him green eyes. I don't really want to do that. I'm going to use the chewed up ones because it looks like he's got bloodshot eyes now. This one looks a little funky, but there's his eyeball. All right. Interesting though, why are these two bags clear bags and this is a white bag? Why? I don't know. Okay, let's see if we could just get some decoration around the outside of his sleeves, little hands. You know, try to outline him in green. I mean red. Oh boy. My colors are going. Yes, I'm outlining him in green, everybody. Just kidding. It may look like I'm rushing. I'm not. I'm just not very good at this. Okay, there we go. That looks cool. Okay, so let's give him a green mouth. Ooh, I cut that a little too thick. There. Let's give him some teeth. Okay, he's got 2 teeth. All right. Let me grab a paper towel. It's getting on my countertop now. My guess is that this will stain the countertop, at least till I can clean it up better. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's give him some gingerbread buttons. Down the front. His buttons are made of Jelly Bellies. There you go. Let's put some decorations by his feet. Jelly Belly. Jelly Belly. Now, somebody with some skills could probably do this pretty nice. What do you think? How about just some little dots? It seems to be the easiest thing for me to do. Okay. He's got what I would call a speckled outfit on. My gingerbread pal. There. I think we should cover those with Jelly Bellies. What do you think? I mean, how else would you decorate? Would you put Jelly Bellies all the way around? Would you just make Jelly Bellies for his face? I mean, I want to use up the Jelly Bellies. I'm going to take a bite of this gingerbread. Need to see if it's any good. There we go. 2 left. Look at that. Does that look tasty? Let's give them some. I've got 2 left, so let's make Jelly Belly cheeks. 1, 2. There. And they're purple. All right. Would you take a look at that? What do you think about that? Is that something you would want to eat? Let me know. Let's do a little bit more. Let's give him a little more red by his lips and the sides. There. Looks like a wreath now. And we'll give him a little design here so I can use up some more of the red. I guess that's another thing. I'm using 1 hand to try to squeeze the pack instead of 2. And I'm at a distance. All right, that looks absolutely nutty. But I did it. All right, so there is my gingerbread pal. Okay. So would you eat it? Would you not eat it? I'm going to have to take a bite. So if you don't like the sound of chewing and crunching, this will be the time to adjust accordingly. Here we go. I guess I'm going to bite his head. I want to take part of his head so I can get 2 Jelly Belly. So I'll take it like this, and numberts, let's go. Okay, so the gingerbread kind of tastes fake. Something doesn't seem original gingerbread to me. It is softer, but the flavor, I think I'd rather just eat the Jelly Bellies. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, so there you go. See, the Jelly Belly was lemon. Here's theirs. But they use 2, 4, 6, 7. And there's mine. I use all of them. It is a Jelly Belly Giant Gingerbread Pal. Let me know what you think. I would like your opinion. And let me know if you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. I know it's not the best, but it's still something different. Something I haven't shown you to show my artistic side. And thanks for watching, everybody. If you can, it'd be wonderful to help me out. There's a playlist in the comments section. I always put a playlist there for you to just click on. Enjoy some videos from previous years. Some of you do that, and I do appreciate it. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.